Hello students, we are going to discuss about cyclone scrubber. Introduction about cyclone scrubber. It is on air pollution control technology. They use the feature of both the dry cyclone and the spray chamber to remove pollutant from gas stream. Generally, inlet gas enter the chamber tangentially, swirl through the chamber in a corkscrew motion and exit. At the same time, liquid is sprayed inside the chamber. So this is gas liquid operation. As the gas swirls around the chamber, pollutant are removed when they impact on liquid droplet or thrown to the wall and washed back down and out. This is the introduction about cyclone scrubber. So cyclone scrubber generally low to medium energy device. Pressure drop of cyclone scrubber 4 to 25 centimeter of water. So this is commercially available design. One is irrigated cyclone scrubber, another one cyclonic spray scrubber. One by one we will discuss. First one, irrigated cyclone scrubber. This figure shows that irrigated cyclone scrubber, working principle of irrigated cyclone scrubber, the inlet gas enter near the top of the scrubber into the water spray. Gas is forced to swirl downward, then change direction and return upward in a tighter spiral. The liquid droplet produced capture the pollutant are eventually thrown to the side wall and carried out of the collector. Cleaned gas leave through the top of the column. Are you clear? Okay, or top of the chamber. This is the working principle of irrigated cyclone scrubber. Second one, cyclonic spray scrubber. This figure shows that cyclonic spray scrubber, working principle of cyclonic spray scrubber, forces the inlet gas or pollutant up through the chamber from a bottom tangential entry. Liquid spray from nozzle on a center post. Center post means that is manifold, spray manifold, is directed toward the chamber wall and through the swirling gas. The cleaned gas continue upward, exiting through the tightening vents at the top of the chamber. Vents is nothing but that is the blade. Are you clear or not? Okay. The water sprayed at the bottom. So some of the waters are collected after the operation carried out. Are you clear? Okay. Whereas irrigated cyclone, liquid capture the pollutant, is forced to the wall and wash out. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is the working principle of cyclonic spray scrubber. Cyclonic spray scrubber, this is more efficient than spray tower, but not efficient as Venturi scrubber in removing particulate from the gaseous pollutant. Particulate larger than 5 micrometer, that is size, generally collected by impaction. This is one of the technique with 90% efficiency. Simple spray tower, velocity of the particulate in the gas stream is low, nearly 0.6 to 1.5 meter per second. This is the velocity. By introducing the inlet gas tangentially into the spray chamber, the cyclonic scrubber increases the gas velocity to approximately 60 to 180 meter per second. Why this device efficiency is higher than spray chamber? Velocity of the liquid spray is approximately same in both devices. This higher particulate to liquid relative velocity increases, particulate collection efficiency for this device over that of the spray chamber. In Venturi scrubber, gas velocity 60 to 180 meter per second. This device not as efficient as Venturi scrubber. Why? Because they are not capable of producing the same degree of useful turbulence. Turbulence is nothing but eddies formation, circular movement of water or zigzag motion. Are you clear or not? Okay. Advantages of this device: higher efficiency, simple construction. Additional advantage: acting as entrainment separator because of the shape. Entrainment is nothing but a removal of various entrainment liquids. Limitations of this device: biggest disadvantages are that they are not capable of removing sub-micrometer particulate, do not efficiently absorb most polluting gases. So here we are compared with Venturi scrubber. So this device lesser efficiency because of this reason. Are you clear? So due to high velocity, erosion of the side wall of the cyclone can also be a problem. What about the gas velocity in this device? 60 to 180 meter per second. So the erosion is possible. This is also one of the problems. So these are the disadvantage or drawback of this device. Applications of this device: it is used to remove the gases or particulate in oil refineries. It is used in vacuum cleaners. This device used in high pressure washing devices, lubricating fluid, industrial waste water treatment. Are you clear? Okay. Thank you for your attention.